နာလေးထဲလူကြစို့ကွာအရှိမဲ့သွားတဲ့မိသားစုနဲ့အသက်မဲ့သွားတဲ့လူသားတွေအတွက်မနှုတ်တာချင်း
እኔ የምለው እንዴት ነው ግን ሴቶቻችን ከሙያ ዓለም የራቃችሁት እንዴ? በዚሁ ከቀጠልን እናትና አያቶቻችንን ያስለመዱን ሙያ የሚጣፍጥ ምግብ ከማን ልናገኝ ነው? እኔ አሳሰበኝ ከምርጥ ጥያቄ ሆነብኝ እንዴ ያሁኖቹማ በቃ በሶባችኋል ውሃው ላይ ያረረባችሁ ነው አንዷ የሌለ ሰብስባችሁ በቃ ሁሉ ነው ባለሙያ ነኝ ምናምን ብላ ስታክት ሰሟትና መቼም ሴት ልጅ እነዚህን ሶስት ምግቦች መስራት ከቻለች ለኔ በጣም ባለሙያ ነች የምወዳቸው ምግቦች ስለ
My mom couldn't walk because of bone and knee pain. Since she tried this natural juice, she said goodbye to joint pain. Welcome to Top Recipes for You. Let's start. For this natural remedy, we will need a banana, peel it and cut it into slices. The banana, or plantain as it is known in some countries, is a very good fruit for rheumatoid arthritis. This fruit contains a natural anti-inflammatory, vitamin B6. This vitamin helps to reduce inflammation.
God, it's Fletcher.
No, this has nothing to do with Fletcher.
It's Fletcher.
What? Dad?
I made it! I'm late, but I made it!
What is he doing?
He came to see us off. Wave.
I won't let you go!